Hello everyone, welcome back to another exciting video. So today we will solve the problem find words containing character from the bi-weekly contest 118. So if you are coming to this video solution, I think you are very much new to the programming. So I will explain you everything in very detail. So please be patient and watch till the end. So I request you to switch the playback speed so that for the better viewing experience. So first we will understand the problem statement. Here you are given a zero indexed array of string words. He will give you words and a character x. Return an array of indices representing the words that contain the character x. Note that the returned array must be in any order. It can be in any order, not even sorted order. Is not asking anything. So he's saying that he will give some words and he will give some x character. We have to check whether this character is present in our words or not. If it is present in that word, we need to store that indexes and we need to return it. That's it. So first we will see this example. X is equals to E. Here you can see E is present at 0 index and 1 index. So we are returning 0 and 1. And coming to second example, this is our words and the character is A. So if you see, A is present at 0 index and A is present at the second index. A is not present at the first and the third index. So we will only return 0 and 2. So we will check. Like here they are giving the constant as 50-50. So very brute force, definitely it will work. So let's see. Now we will calculate the size. So how we will calculate the size of a vector? V dot size. V dot size is directly you can calculate the size of a vector. And we will iterate I is equals 0, I less than n. So this auto j colon v of I, it means that auto, it will directly consider either it can be an integer or it can be a character or it can be a string based on the data type of v of I. It will automatically modify itself. Either it can be a pair int comma int also can be written as auto. It will automatically give the data type of this to j. So here in v of I we have characters. So auto is converted into a character. Auto j colon v of I, and we are comparing j is equals to x. If my character is present, then I am pushing my index answer dot pushback I, and I am returning the answer. If you so see this, what will be my time complexity here? Here we are iterating order of n into and size of v of I. This will be my time complexity, and we are not using any extra space, so it will be my we are using the extra space as answer, so it can be everything, like every index can be my answer, so it can reach until order of n. This will be my space complexity. So I think you understood it. If you did not understand, please do comment. I will try to help you out. So you please do like and subscribe to my channel. And one more request, like in this solution, in the description you can find the solution link. Please go there and please do upvote to this video solution so that most of the students can benefit from this tutorial. And thank you guys for watching.